average is. Contemplating that. Hey. Mm. Yes, chaos. Not the get smart kind. Okay, well, I'm going to see. What have I got here? What's GME is $340. Wow. Still a lot of pain for the short sellers. Like I said, yeah. Oh, yeah, but take the wind out of this trade for sure if they came out and announced that they'd covered most of their shorts. I think that would be the death blow for this play, and move on to something else, I guess. Yeah, 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 or costs, yeah. Costs is jumping all over the place. Yeah. Well, I've got an order in to buy at 50. Yeah, very small size. Let's just see how much it drops. You might get a bunch of people. Yeah, I'm just hoping I get a bunch of people panic selling, and then there'll be no limit orders. There'll be no bids below that. So I'm just hoping that I'll catch a flush here. No, no, it's just a bunch of hot money is really all it amounts to. Just some, and social media driving some of this, and then hedge funds, other hedge funds just taking advantage of this situation. So it's just the sort of classic hallmarks of a frothy market, really. So where are we going to open? Oh, totally. Yeah. Yeah, totally. Come on. Yeah, still selling off here, eh? Hmm. What's SQQQ doing? It's pushing higher. It's not moving a lot. Yeah. They've kept this this pause on longer than 5 minutes. Maybe they're going to keep it. They're going to shut it down right into the close on costs. So it stopped trading at 328, and now it's 335. So usually they're only 5-minute halts. This has become a 7-minute halt pretty much. And they're just, yeah, the bid ask is just all over the place. It's crossed quite a bit. What's going on here? BB is selling off. Plug is starting to sell off again. I stopped out of the rest of my plug on the swing trade. I'm just going to see what it does tomorrow. I still think it's going to be a decent swing trade, but I'm not going to hold it. I'm just not going to hold it overnight based on the way things are trading right now. Wow, BB is really pulled all the way back to VWAP. Nice. Norm got VIX. Nice one. What's it doing? Wow, still pushing higher. Yeah, same. Yeah, market's still selling off here. So we're back down on plug. We're back down below the secondary offer price, but I just think the whole market's just sucking everything down right now. Just a giant sucking noise. So this is going to create an opportunity. GME is kind of holding in there. It's not giving up too much here yet, despite what the market's doing. But it's oh, there you go. So cost is open. I didn't get a fill on that drop. Oh, wait a sec. I did. I got a fill at 53. I had moved it up to 53. Oops. Okay, so it got halted again. Okay, well, I'm in 100 shares. I'm in 100 shares. We'll see what it does. Yeah, I think it's halted again. Should have stuck with my 50. I didn't think it was going to drop to there. Well, it's got another halt. 1539. Yeah, it's by jumping back. Yeah, right off the VWAP. Could have taken a trade there. actually. Was it down to 30? Low of that trade was, yeah, 23.33. It's exactly where you should have bought it. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Is that right? Yeah, sometimes if stocks get too volatile, the risk managers at the various brokerages just say, you know, they might do it for specific accounts. Like if you don't have enough capital in your account, they may say, well, unless you're holding 100,000 or more dollars or whatever they decide, we're not going to allow you to trade this stock, and especially hold it overnight. Um, so that would be something they definitely would be concerned about. Um, it could, if you risked it all and it came back in and it was down $150, I mean, literally could wipe your account out and actually put you in the red, and then the broker probably would be on the hook for making up whatever your loss was. So they're not definitely not going to risk that. Yeah, yeah, it's restricted. So we're trying to hold here at this 372 on the SPY. Yeah, it's right at yeah, maybe. I am Microsoft trying to go green again, eh? Roku just went red. Funny how Nikola, I don't know if there was some news on Nikola. What was the daily? Looks like it's kind of curling up here. Nikola's had actually a pretty good day, kind of bucking the trend. Some to maybe watch tomorrow, depending on how the market opens. Yeah, yeah. Facebook will be interesting. Hmm. Let's see. No, no, still halted. No, I should, yeah, should look at that. Maybe, yeah. It changed it had to change the trading symbol, didn't it? It went because it got taken off the exchange. No, I knew at one point there. Hmm. Wow, BB, BB's really nice. Nice bounce back off that VWAP. Wow. Hmm. So it's weird. Yeah, so you're getting a bit of a reversing candle on. We've got a 30-minute chart up here on the SPY now. 5 minutes, kind of putting in a rounding bottom. Looks like we're putting in a bit of a bottom here on the SPY. We've got 12 minutes left. CLAM, that's weird. CALM. It's an egg, Calmaine Foods, egg producers coming up here. What is going on with that one? Is that another newbie squeeze trade? Let's see here. 20% short float. Float is 35 million. Or yeah, so I am 20% short. I'm guessing people are squeezing that one. This might be a Calmaine Foods CLAM might be something interesting to hold after hours here. Okay. Yeah, Still trying to figure out where to go. I mean, I'm thinking about getting out of it, pulling the ripcord, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm long Calmaine Foods. I think this is Calmaine Foods going to squeeze. I think it's going to be a popper tomorrow. It'll be a popper. Yeah, I'm still in it. Yeah. Still holding it. I kind of think you're right, Reeve. That's why I'm holding it. Okay, so Paul halted again. Yeah, that's why I'm still holding it. I want. A nice one. Very nice. Hmm. Well, yeah, I think they're going to keep it closed right into the close probably. Eh? Its last trade was at 1553. No, 53.53. Oh, what am I looking at here? Yeah, last trade was yeah, zero imbalance. So it's looking positive. Yeah, so last trade was 7 minutes before the close. So I suspect we'll probably stay closed. They'll probably close it right down to into the trading day here. I am going to take a little bit of CALM long, calm. Not really liking the way it's going out here, but I think this is going to be another short squeeze play. We'll see how that goes. GE is really breaking out here. GE is just is ripping. It's gone green on the day. Yeah. Yeah, CALM, calm, Calmaine Foods. Yeah, I was, yeah, yeah. This last 2 minute bar, we've moved from 11:13 to 11:52. There's definitely got some buyers. Definitely got some buyers, interested buyers in there. Stupid, stupid Waterhouse. Just nothing but problems all day. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Just because it's strong and it's been strong, it's up on the day on a red day. That's always a good sign. And I'm looking at it. It's got 35 million shares in the float. 21% of it's short float. So I'm just thinking, yeah, it's halted again. The heck, I don't know. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it looks like it halted again into the close here, which is unusual. So, but yeah, CALM, liking. I am liking that trade. So for a swing trade, so we'll see how that goes tomorrow. Hmm. All right. Well, what are we doing? Yeah, what is Facebook doing here? Facebook's kind of sold off a little. Well, let's see, that's a 15-minute chart. Came popping back up at the end of the day here.
PTC, Papa Tango Charlie, reporting revenue of $429 million. That's above estimate
GE
for
kind of
PTC.
pulled back there at the end of the, right at
Quarterly
the close.
ARR of $1.34 billion for
Facebook's moving
Papa
up a
Tango
bit here.
Charlie.
I don't know if have they said anything yet. Okay, well, Twitter, interesting. Tweeter.
EYPT, Cantor, initiating with an overweight rating and $22 price target. That's Echo Yankee Papa Tango, EYPT. CNSP, CNS Pharmaceuticals, files for mixed shelf up to $75 million. That's Charlie November Sandy Papa, CNSP.
Okay, well, cost opening. Is cost opening in? No, it seems moving, but it says it's halted. It's weird. Yeah. Yeah. So
KOSS cost getting another pop here after hours. KOSS 62.96 on cost. QCR Holdings reporting $1.20.
No. Generally speaking, I've never seen a stock halted after hours.
FB
it's kind of
Facebook
like the Wild West.
reporting $3.88. Foxtrot Bravo.
You're taking your chances.
Facebook.
Here we go.
The estimate was $3.21 on Foxtrot Bravo.
Baby.
Revenue of $28.07 billion for Facebook is a beat for Facebook. $3.88 in earnings, a beat for Facebook. Foxtrot Bravo.
See this? I was mentioning
earnings
if I was,
Whirlpool
I don't
are
like
out.
playing stocks
WHR
through earnings, but if there
Whirlpool.
was one stock that I would have played through earnings, it would be Facebook. I would be long.
Cost share
Coming up
spiking
to 70.
sharply, $70 now after hours on cost.
Yeah. Well, there you go.
Facebook Q4 daily active users up 11% year over year to 1.84 billion. Facebook sees FY 2021 total expenses of 68 to 73 billion. That's FB Facebook. Shares of Facebook falling now.
What do you think? I should sell.
I
bet I'm thinking I'm selling maybe 50 here. Should I? Yeah, you know what? I just sold. I'm going to sell 50 at 77. Hello.
LRCX Lam Research reporting $6.03 on revenue of 3.46 billion.
I'm selling my
LRCX.
holding in costs. I have 100 shares.
The estimate was $5.72, so that's a beat for
and I'm
LRCX.
Holding the rest for 100.
CP Canadian Pacific reporting $5.95.
I'm not hearing you guys.
Wow. Facebook is
Charlie Papa.
Can you imagine?
Whirlpool reporting $7.70.
Is
$7.77
gap. I mean, on earnings. Like,
WHR.
can you imagine being the person that just bought it at 280? and now it's trading. And now it's trading at 262. That hurts. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Costs. Come on, baby.
TSLA Tesla reporting 80 cents. Tango Sandy Lima Alpha, 80 cents adjusted on Tesla.
TSLA this afternoon, guys.
The estimate was $1.01.
Literally a second ago, and
Tesla planning to grow manufacturing capacity as quickly as possible.
Costs. Oh my goodness. What
the?
Whirlpool reporting
silly.
664 adjusted on Whirlpool WHR.
Silly.
The Nokia chart.
The estimate was 607, so that's a beat for Whirlpool. Tesla
the Nokia chart still
reporting revenue of 10.744 billion.
I just can't get my head around.
That's ahead of estimate for Tesla, TSLA.
Sorry.
If you're moving low floats around,
shares of Tesla falling here, $836.
It was a relatively low,
again reporting earnings of 80 cents.
Firm. That's one thing. But to take a $26 billion firm like Nokia,
that's TSLA.
With what's the float of Nokia? I can't remember now, but it was 5 billion shares outstanding. And to move that around, this is getting serious.
Yeah, crazy. No, it's and I had those leaps. I bought like 20 leaps yesterday and made like $3,000 or $4,000
Levi Strauss
on them.
Reporting revenue of
insane. The $5 leap.
1.386 billion.
January.
That's Lima.
It was
Echo
January
Victor,
2023.
India.
I got out of it. Man.
Oh, what? Why does it say trading paused on cost?
Because because it went into the.
The estimate was 1.34 billion, so that's ahead of estimate on
a trading halt. So apparently that doesn't
Levi
clear.
Strauss.
The trading continues, but anyway, guys, I'm going to take off, and looks like
shares of Tesla off the lows now $825.
90 might have been the top there, but the after hours is still young. Actually, we're selling off here on SPY, of course, too.
Adjusted earnings of 20 cents on Levi Strauss.
Look at all these stocks.
The estimate was 15 cents, so that's a beat
really
for
taking
LEVI.
Everything's taken a punt here, right? Yeah, so
Tesla had earnings. Apple, Tesla, Facebook. What's happening?
VIX is popping here. Wow. VIX is on a tear. I don't know if Norm still has his.
LVS, Las Vegas Sands, Lima Victor Sandy. LVS reporting revenue of 1.15 billion. The estimate was 1.28 billion on LVS.
I don't think I've Service Now. Oh.
Adjusted loss of 37 cents.
Service Now is tradable 4 days a year.
Las Vegas Sands. The estimate was a loss of 31 cents, or wider loss than expected for LVS.
PTC. We got a lot of stuff, a lot of earnings.
NOW
today.
Service Now reporting 8 cents.
Let's see what
November Oscar Whiskey.
Yeah, it bounced back. Like I said, I'm in this for the long run. Maybe at least another couple hours. Yeah. Till it gets to 100.
That's the long run nowadays, eh, Brian?
Yeah, exactly.
That's funny. I worked at Nortel Networks for a couple of years, and they said, well, the world is moving at a different pace. We had to work in web years.
Is ahead of
and a web year was basically we started our financial accounting every quarter over
Whiskey.
again. So every 3 months, we considered it a new web year.
Okay. Yeah.
Now we've gone to Robinhood days or something.
Shares of Tesla now 812.09.
Moore's law.
798.43.
Moore's law, exactly.
Shares of Facebook now at 259.10, down about $13.
bounce back. Yeah. All right. Well, anyway, guys, I'm gonna bail here. So have a great rest of the afternoon.
Tesla says semi deliveries will begin in 2021.
I know, AMD disappointed me. I thought for sure it was going up. This was going to be, you know, it was going to recover.
Fremont production will resume in Q1 and ramp
and
back
I left for my meetings at 1 o'clock, and then what happened? I can't leave you guys alone with the markets for a couple hours. I mean, come on. Cool. Let's see, buy Tesla calls. Yeah. Oh man. All right.
ServiceNow, $1.17, the adjusted.
Sorry, yeah, Joe. I guess I was working the
NOW.
magic 8
That's
ball
a
here.
beat.
It wasn't. I didn't put them into
Or
use. I
November
didn't know I was going to need it. I
Oscar
said I left the markets. Everything was looking good at 1 o'clock.
JBSS with a special dividend. Julia Bravo Sandy
basket
of $2.50 per share on common stock and Class A common stock. That's JBSS, John B. Sanfilippo and Son.
Wow.
Julia Bravo Sandy $2.50 per share
750%
special cash dividend.
Oh yeah, well, I had my trade of the day pre-market, and it looks like it was good that I got most of it out, because that wow, look at that. AMC never recovered. So AMC was my trade. It was beautiful. But oh my God, you're right. Sorry, I was looking at the comment Bobby put in there. He's right.
EW Edwards Life Sciences reporting 50
shares
cents. Echo Whiskey.
That's
the estimate was 53 cents. Revenue or sales of 1.2 billion. That's ahead of estimate. Earnings coming in short for EW. URI United Rentals reporting
billion shares.
GAAP earnings of $4.09.
Look at that volume on the daily. So yesterday it had a big volume day at 380 million. Big day the day before at 300 million. Average day, what, like 20,
adjusted
30
earnings of $5.04 on URI, $5.04. Yeah. That's United Rentals.
I've got my 20 period moving average on the volume here.
Revenue of $2.28 billion.
I can't even see the line.
Is a beat for United Rentals, Uniform Romeo India.
Because of the graph, because the volume is so big here today.
PHAS Phase Bio says presenting new data from phase.
I'm sort of entertained by these markets, but at the same time frightened. Like I don't want
Panadol for the treatment of pulmonary arterial
as slight as it may be, that they introduce some sort of restrictive measures that
Papa Hotel Alpha
interferes
Sandy.
with our ability to day trade. I don't want that to happen by any stretch, but
VZ
whatever
and
it is,
CCI Crown Castle says Verizon has committed to lease 15,000 new small cells.
To a certain degree, you could say that this is how the market was always intended to operate, right? It's just leveling the playing field, and there's always going to be some growing pains as the playing field levels, especially with those that used to have the power and the control. They never like giving it up, right? So Wall Street's going to fight this. But this is sort of like, this is the popular vote. I mean, by their own axioms, the market is never wrong, right? You may not like it
on costs,
but the market is never wrong. That's the way the market is always the theory that's there. I mean, hell, I think that quote is said directly in Reminiscences of a Stock Operator, which is a 100-year-old book, right? So, like, it's hard. it's tough to argue that
Tesla
allowing
says build out of the Berlin
more people
Gigafactory
access to the market
continues
ultimately
as
is a bad
planned.
thing. That was always the intent. Right? It was supposed to create an equitable environment such that all companies can be traded by all peoples. But anyway, I'll get off my soapbox. But
VIRT, Virtu Financial.
well, I mean, that was
getting
the free market.
$30 now. Victor India Romeo
intent
Tango.
of the
VIRT,
mercantile exchange, and when they
no
opened
news
up.
as of yet.
Anyways, we'll see what happens. It's interesting. Costs in the meantime, I see you're watching it there as well. It just hit 95.
CYRN, Siren announcing
it looks
new
like
CFO,
it looks
Charlie
like
Yankee
it could.
Romeo
I mean,
November.
when it starts to run, it runs like $2-3, without blinking. So it's because the volume is so thin, of course. That's why. But if you just have a little patience, it looks like it'll hit.
LSTR,
I better go. I got to get ready to help.
$1.70. The estimate was $1.73. Revenue for Q4 of $1.296 billion. Revenue is ahead of estimate. Earnings coming in short for LSTR.
Oh, sushi. That would be good. All right. All right. You go get your sushi,
PSC, Tri-State Capital, 37 cents. The estimate, 26 cents. Revenue coming in ahead.
Into this meeting. All right. Take care. Sorry I wasn't here this afternoon, everybody. Glad.